If you like stop now. Hold on, wait. Shut up. Wait. Wait.
It uploaded. It uploaded.
Shut up. Hold on. Biddy. Biddy, snore if you like dick.
Biddy, Snore if you're the Master Ginger.
Wait, he needs to get like closer to his mic. Biddy, snore if you take it in the butt. He's like face down on his pillow. Alright, he says, wait, stop recording, but have it ready for when he snores louder. And Brooke, give me the link.
Hey, hey Biddy.
Okay.
Hey Biddy.
Wait,
Biddy,
wait.
snore if you take it at all.
Biddy, snore if you take it in his ass. Biddy, snore if your mom's a whore.
Biddy. Biddy, snore if your mom's a hermaphrodite and you suck her dick.
Biddy, snore if you like asshole. Biddy, snore if you're a Lattes fanboy.
Biddy. Biddy. Biddy, snore if you thought shaving would be fun.
Biddy, snore if you want Sasha pussy.
Hey, Biddy. Snore if you're mad.
Biddy, snore if you're just dreaming about fucking a dog. Biddy, snore if you swim in a New Jersey public pool. Biddy, snore if you have an under a 2-inch dick. Finally, those questions have been answered.
Biddy,
It's so tired. So tired. Biddy, snore if you like ass butter. Or shit butter. Yes.
Biddy. Biddy, snore if you would eat my asshole.
Shit. Biddy's like right on top of his fucking lap.
Biddy, snore if you would like to be my anal bead.
Biddy, snore if I can shit on your mom. Biddy, snore if I can piss on your ceiling fans.
Biddy, snore if Biddy, snore if TCS can win a match.
He stuttered a little bit. Biddy, snore if you are actually the Master Ginger. Biddy, snore if Blue has a big forehead. Oh yeah. Biddy, snore like Macho Man Randy Savage.
Biddy, I wish you would wake up. It's getting annoying now.
How do we fix it? Biddy! 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 Wow, he's like...
Oh, shut up.
You fucking New Jersey piece of fuck. I heard Jacks can't bowl. I have to fix this. Oh, I can remove him from group. Who can kick him? CCS, can you broken? Fuck. Kick him. Okay. Okay.
What?
Kick him.
I can't.
I can't talk over your ass. Shut the fuck up. Bro, kid, can you kick him? Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's still snoring.
This ring better wake his ass up.
Dun 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 dun.
Huh? I can't wait. If you don't want,
Betty's got to be like, why are you asking me questions when I'm sleeping?
I'll post it. If you send me the recording, I'll post it. Tomorrow I'll do it. But what was I gonna do? Oh, you sent me that thing. I'll go back and get it.